Good morning from Anchorage's newest Airbnb. If you remember our video back in Halibut Cove, you know that the place we stayed was absolutely epic, and those owners, Eric and Sarah, have invited us to their newest property right here in Anchorage. We've really put in some research to find all the best hidden gems here in Anchorage that chances are you probably never even knew existed. But before we give you a full tour, we've got to get ready and eat some breakfast. Sneak peek of the place!
I thought you were giving them a sneak peek of the stairs.
It is really cold in Anchorage right now.
Chilly.
One of our favorite places to go for breakfast here in Anchorage is a Fire Island Bake Shop.
It's my favorite, and now it's even more my favorite because they have my favorite thing in the world.
Okay, it is not your favorite thing in the world.
No, it's not. Pizzas.
They have bagels. They also have all kinds of like fresh baked goods, all kinds of breads and muffins and scones. They have really good breakfast sandwiches, and they have the world's best chocolate chip cookies. Cookie first or food first?
Yeah, this is definitely a good bagel.
Now we are ready to show you guys around. Welcome to Wild About Anchorage, the actual newest Airbnb here in town. Now this place is absolutely gigantic, but I'm gonna try to keep the tour kind of short and sweet. They've got a first bathroom, one of two here on site. The smaller of the two bedrooms here on the first floor. It is super cozy. They are all very cute, and they've really focused on collecting different items that are from like the 60s, 70s, 80s, which gives it kind of a cool retro vibe, and items that showcase the native Alaska culture. This is the master bedroom. You can see it's so beautiful. It includes its own private full bathroom and a workspace. My favorite part of the bedroom, it's locked. The north-facing patio. So last night we actually sat in bed and tried to watch for the northern lights. There's a really nice little park. The main hangout area of the property. A huge, it's like a 60-inch TV.
I bet at least.
It's a huge. They've got a nice little record player.
When you're both in this Alaskan land, it's hard to change tongue.
This incredible mural that was completely designed and hand painted by Sarah. It kind of ties in their whole theme of the Wild About Anchorage stay. Frostbite Yeti. He's adorable. I wanted to showcase this incredible 8-seater table. And I almost forgot. I didn't almost forget, I just kind of walked the other way around it. Their fireplace. This beautiful gas fireplace is
Good job.
It's super cozy. It's nice and warm. This is their enormous chef's kitchen. All brand new appliances. They've got 2 sinks here, which is wild. Wild About Anchorage. Tyler and I are going to be using it tonight to cook a little special dinner for the 2 of us. So they've got an entire coffee bar, all different kinds of ways to make your coffee. What do you call this?
Kettle.
A kettle?
Yeah. See?
3 more ways to make your coffee. We have got a pour over, a regular coffee machine, and a French press. It's almost like a cafe seating. Cute though. These doors bring us to a different deck and patio, which we're gonna show you guys later, but I'm gonna give you guys a hint. There's a grill and a hot tub.
Well, that's not the hint. You give it away.
And that finally brings us to the downstairs. Downstairs, no. There's only one room here downstairs. They do have a huge mud room kind of area. Probably one of the coolest bedrooms in my opinion. I love this bedroom. It's so cozy. That is so cool. I don't know what that's called.
I don't either.
And that concludes our tour. So now that we've shown you around the newest Airbnb here in Anchorage, we're gonna show you some of the hidden gems that we honestly never knew existed here in town. Just 1 mile down the road from our Airbnb is one of the most unique attractions in all of Anchorage. Alaska Wild Berry Products apparently has the world's largest chocolate waterfall.
That's crazy. What? That's a...
Dun, 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 dun. This is insane.
Yeah.
I know, it's cool, isn't it? And definitely something that I never knew existed here in Anchorage. There also may or may not have been some chocolate samples over there, so we're gonna go Check it out. It's also where everyone else is hanging out, so might be a little awkward. Free samples. What are you trying?
Dark one. Oh, marshmallow in the middle.
I want that one. How many samples can you actually take before it's like not allowed?
Like one.
Alright, that was actually so much fun.
That was pretty cool. I wish I could like eat the chocolate in the chocolate fountain. I just wanted to dip something in there.
Like your tongue?
Yeah. The next stop we're doing is the Anchorage Aviation Museum. And I love aviation, so this will be fun.
I'll be honest, an aviation museum is not exactly my cup of tea, but it is pretty fun watching Tyler get so excited about it.
Yeah, she did not want to go to this one. We were going to go to the Alaska Heritage Museum. We found out it was closed on weekends, so.
It's us and a bunch of little kids here. And even though I feel like this one's a bit more well known than maybe the largest chocolate waterfall in the world, we've never been here, so this will be kind of a unique stop. At $18 per person, the Alaska Aviation Museum has endless exhibits showcasing the history of Alaska Airlines, artifacts from World War II battles, features on Alaska Native and women pilots, and even planes dating all the way back to 1929.
There's no engine, but
Oh.
cool. That's why they're so loud. It's cool. That's a pointy.
Oh, we can't go in the plane.
Oh,
And drew like the maze of airplanes out here.
there's so many.
That's a cool one.
Yeah, that is a really cool one. Oh, it's a wildlife one. So
Oh.
where's that one?
Oh, that one's so cute.
Is that like a helicopter?
I don't know. I like it though. Plus, if you head outside to the observation tower, you'll have some great views of Lake Hood and the Chugach Mountains. That's such a pretty view.
Yeah. You can go outside if you want.
I'm good. We made our way back to the Airbnb because we wanted to have a bit of a proper snack. So we're actually warming up yesterday's leftovers. We went to Moose's Tooth, which is a really good restaurant here in town. They have a really, really good salmon spread, and they are just known for their pizza. So if you are coming and you're looking for a good place to go eat, that's a great one.
This is a fancy oven. It has two ovens.
Ooh,
The top and the bottom.
way cooler than our oven.
Yeah.
And after spending the next few hours enjoying our salmon spread and watching Singles Inferno on Netflix, it was finally time for
The hot tub. And it's like 9 degrees outside, so it's going to be freezing until we can get in there. Those are warm.
Oh really? It's heated?
It's not this.
Oh my gosh. The neighbors have to think we're ridiculous.
My feet are frozen.
Is it hot?
Oh, it's so warm.
Oh.
It's 103 degrees. Oh, it feels so good.
Oh my gosh. Oh, my socks. Oh. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, now this is the life. If we ever buy a house, we should put a hot tub on here. We've been enjoying this hot tub now for about 45 minutes, and even though it's only about 5 degrees outside, if you're sitting in here, you really can't tell. It's so nice and toasty. They've got some jets that you can turn on. They've got ice luminaries and little hanging lights, and the sun's going down, and it's all just so cozy. It's kind of romantic. We're not very romantic people, but it's a really cute little setup that they have, and honestly, the best part is watching all the people in their parkas walk around while we're up here just enjoying our hot tub. All right.
Here. Here's a towel.
I gotta make sure I don't slip.
It's cold.
Oh, these are really.
Those are really warm.
Oh, okay. Whew.
You good?
Good. We are now all bundled up. We're ready to go to our last little activity
Yeah, of the
for
weekend.
the day. Yeah, of the weekend. That's right. We have to check out tomorrow. Our last stop of the day is at the Alaska Botanical Gardens. Tyler and I have never been here before. We actually just found out we even had a botanical garden like a month ago. And apparently they have this winter event called the Brighter Winter Nights. So we're gonna go check it out. It's only $10 a person, which means it's definitely in our budget.
I already see some lights. There.
Ta-da! It's a half-mile paved loop. So it's really, really cold. I think it'll be fun.
It's already pretty.
It is, and we're the only ones here. They have a bus. How cute is the bus?
It is cute. It's
A little Volkswagen.
with mushrooms.
So this is kick sledding. A lot of people here in Alaska use this to get around. It's kind of fun for the kiddos, and Tyler and I have never tried it before. We're gonna try it out. We did get a very quick lesson.
And have fun. Alright.
Go, Tyler, go.
And you're welcome to walk down.
Oh, okay. Tyler, wait for me. He's gone. He left me. You're back.
I'm back. They're fun.
You were so fast. So I think you pushed, right?
Yeah. There you go. Deborah, you are not great at this.
We're going back now. It's tiring. Oh no, it's uphill. I will say, dog sledding, a lot easier. I'm sweating.
You're sweating. Did you have fun?
Yeah, that was actually really fun. You could sit on the front, but you have to be less than 100 pounds, which Tyler and I do not fit that category. This is the herb garden, or as Tyler would say, the
herb garden. It is cute.
It is. I've never seen. They're plastic bottles.
Oh, that's cool.
That's so smart.
It's unique.
Wow. Starting to get really cold now. Can't feel the front of my legs anymore. Luckily, we're almost done. It's time for some hot chocolate.
There you go.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, they've got a nice little warming room, some very chocolatey hot chocolate. And lots of marshmallows. Now we're heading off back to the Airbnb for a final activity. We'll let you know when we get there.
We have the chef's kitchen here. So we brought some Alaskan Dungeness crab I got as a gift from my work. Red potatoes and some Brussels sprouts. They have so much room to cook, like you can chop over there, you can cook all this and it doesn't feel crowded at all. And they have really nice gas stove with a griddle in the middle. You don't even have to use a pan.
Ooh, scary.
That is really scary.
Oh, that's so good. Extra guts. Ta-da!
This one looks really delicious.
So good. Gotta put my hair back. Crab is always so messy. Mmm.
They're good ones.
So good. It was like true Alaskan crab.
Yeah, a pilot I worked with, he got him as a gift from one of his people he flew, and he split it with us, so.
Oh my
Whoa.
god.
Mmm, tasty.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And then we ended our night just like this. So if you like this Alaskan adventure, make sure to subscribe for lots more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye! What'd you just tell me?
I just like seeing all this stuff. I don't need to read everything.
Just keep the mises out.
Is it?
Yeah.
So they don't eat them?
Yeah.